Join me as I put Vizvera's shockproof case to the test and see if it can really protect my Motorola Razr 2025 from some serious drops. Today, we're diving into how Vizvera's shockproof case can safeguard your Motorola Razr 2025 from daily wear and tear. Smartphones are prone to damage from drops and impacts, and the sleek design of the Razr 2025 makes it even more vulnerable. The Razr 2025's unique foldable screen and slim profile make it a beauty to behold, but also a bit of a worry when it comes to drops. A single slip of the hand could mean a costly repair or even a cracked screen. We've all been there. Your phone slips out of your hand, and you watch in slow motion as it hits the ground. The phone's sleek design, while visually stunning, doesn't exactly scream tough or durable. You want to keep it looking good as new, but you also need to ensure it's protected from the rigors of daily life. A good case can be the difference between a minor scratch and a major repair bill. Smartphone cases have come a long way in providing protection without sacrificing style. A well-designed case can absorb shocks, protect the screen, and still look great on your phone. With so many options out there, it's essential to choose one that offers the right balance of protection and aesthetics. When it comes to the Vizvera case, it's clear that the manufacturer has put thought into creating a case that's both protective and stylish. The case is designed to fit snugly around your Razr 2025, with precise cutouts for all the ports and buttons. Let's explore the features of the Vizvera case, including its materials, design, and how it provides superior protection compared to other cases. The case is made from high-quality materials that are both durable and lightweight. It's also designed with a unique texture that provides a secure grip, reducing the likelihood of accidental drops. The Vizvera case boasts some impressive features that set it apart from other cases on the market. For one, it's made with a specialized shock-absorbing material that's designed to dissipate impact. This material is key to protecting your phone from drops and bumps. The case also has a raised bezel around the screen, which provides extra protection against scratches and cracks. It's these little details that show Vizvera's attention to detail and commitment to creating a high-quality case. We'll reveal a real-life test where we put the Vizvera case to the ultimate durability test. Will it hold up against a fall? I'm talking about a real drop test, with the phone hitting the ground from a decent height. The test will push the case to its limits, and we'll see just how well it can protect the phone. I'm a bit nervous about this test. To be honest, I don't want to see my phone get damaged. But it's all in the name of science, right? The drop test is just one way to gauge the case's effectiveness. We'll also be examining the case's performance in everyday use. How does it hold up to scratches and scuffs? The results of our testing will give you a better idea of whether the Vizvera case is right for you. By the end of this video, you'll know if this case is the real deal or not. In summary, the Vizvera shockproof case offers essential protection for your Motorola Razr 2025, ensuring it stays safe and looks great. If you found this video helpful, be sure to comment your thoughts below and check out our other videos on smartphone accessories. Vizvera for Motorola Razr 2025 case with hinge cover, built-in screen protector shockproof all-inclusive smartphone cover wireless charging for Motorola Razr 2025. Brand Vizvera. Compatible phone models Motorola Razr 2025. Color black. Compatible devices Motorola Razr 2025. Material silicone, polycarbonate. Vizvera for Motorola Razr 2025 case with hinge cover, built-in screen protector shockproof all-inclusive smartphone cover wireless charging for Motorola Razr 2025. Brand Vizvera. Compatible phone models Motorola Razr 2025. Color black. Compatible devices Motorola Razr 2025. Material silicone, polycarbonate. Compatibility for Motorola Razr 2025 : Vizvera newest original armor shape is designed for Motorola Razr 2025 only. Note: 1. Please confirm the phone size carefully before buying. 2. Support wireless charging with case on. All-inclusive hinge protection. Vizvera Motorola Razr 2025 cover adopts innovative one-piece anti-shock hinge protection design. Don't have to worry about up and down sliding and separation of the situation. Raised edge protection for full coverage of the screen and camera when your phone is dropped, built-in safety shock pads, and enhanced textured edges and grip lines to give you a better grip on your phone and prevent those nasty drops. It helps keep your cell phone investment safe. HD Clear Screen Protector. Vizvera Motorola Razr 2025 case features a high-end frosted PC and TPU shell with a built-in high-definition clear hard film protector cover and a hybrid design of a silicone frame and a rigid polycarbonate body, which is strong and lightweight, providing excellent dual protection for your Motorola Razr 2025. Armor Original Design. Vizvera Original Design for the armor shape with the same rugged protection and fashionable style, featuring a thick and matte PC and TPU texture for protective drop design, one-piece fully wrapped hinge to protect the phone, stylish design, ultra-thin grip. Skin-friendly materials. Vizvera. Each Motorola Razr 2025 phone case is made of eco-friendly materials, PC and TPU with a comfortable, odorless coating, non-slip texture and skin-friendly. Professional quality service. Vizvera After Sales Service. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will reply you within 24 hours. Lifetime replacement service for your Motorola Razr 2025 cell phone case. 1. The Vizvera case is specifically designed for the Motorola Razr 2025, offering compatibility and support for wireless charging with the case on. 2. It features all-inclusive hinge protection with an innovative anti-shock design, providing full coverage for the screen and camera, and enhanced grip to prevent drops. 3. The case includes a high-definition clear screen protector, combining a frosted PC and TPU shell with a silicone frame and polycarbonate body for dual protection. 4. The armor design offers rugged protection and a stylish look, with a thick and matte texture and ultra-thin grip. 5. Made from eco-friendly materials, the case is skin-friendly, odorless, and features a non-slip texture. 6. Vizvera provides professional quality service with a lifetime replacement guarantee and responds to inquiries within 24 hours.